Hi guys, I am having um, sweet potatoes for breakfast. So, in today's video, we have beehive of activities. It has been raining and the environment is so nice and so cool. But I want to plug you, I want to give you a plug. The kids are at home. Thank you. The kids are at home for holiday. And you know, when the kids are at home, the budget goes up, especially food budget. So I want to plug you because they must eat breakfast, they must have lunch, or uh, sometimes brunch, but they must have food. We must have food in the house. So I'm plugging you. For those who live in Nairobi and its environs, if you want cheap pasta like spaghetti, don't go to the supermarket, guys. Go to Isili. You see those areas over there? They have a lot and lot of this. I can't recommend any brand yet because I don't know, but they have a variety and it's very very cheap. It's cheap, so don't waste your money going to the supermarket. This is a plug I'm giving you for free. So this is 500 grams. You see the way it's full. This one goes for only 100 shillings, guys. 100 shillings, and this is enough for for 4 kids for lunch. This 100 bob and you're sorted for lunch. So I went there and I got 3 packets. I am intending to go back. Then sorry, we have also the macaroni. The macaroni. So the macaroni, I took different brand. I'm still sampling so that I know which brand is best. So macaroni, I took this. It's called Rihanna. I don't know. And then I have this Intervelo, these ones, and then I have this. Guess how much this one costed me? 120 shillings only. This also, if you mix with other things like peas and Irish potato, waru, carrots, this is enough for lunch or even dinner, guys. So what watoto wasikae home without lunch, run to see those areas over there, those wholesale supermarkets over there. At the supermarket, no, wholesale shops over there. You will be spoiled of choices. Even rice, they have different varieties of rice. But I wanted to try their pasta, and this is what I got. So, see you later on when you're doing other activities. Let's get some kales for supper. I had left this one here while I was removing the others so that we can have something as the new ones that I planted grow. This is amaranth. This one I always harvest it, like all of it, because I don't want it to be very big, because it can grow very wild. And I want to pick some spinach over here. Guys, the rain has done wonders. It has been long since I harvested big spinach like this. It has been long. They have always been tiny, tiny. Spinach, if you don't harvest, they go bad quickly. So you must always harvest. And harvest like everything and let it sprout up again. See, like this one, if you don't harvest on time, this is what happens. I don't know. If you have space, plant your own food. The rains will help you. A big deal. Even containers, guys. I watch some videos and I really get impressed. People do even containers for veggies and onions. You see, we have a very good harvest here. Guys, we have cooked macaroni for lunch. I hope you're able to see. And honestly, it's not bad. It's good. So, in the morning, I was intending to do a behavior activity that I told you. But then I got a call from my plug to come back. I told you today is plug day. So I got a call from my customer that she had gotten the curtains that I wanted. You remember the other time I had, if you have been watching me, I had this gold and I only had 2 pieces. And we had agreed that if she gets other pieces, she was going to call me. So she called me just around 11ish, 12 there to go and check what she had. I went and I got she had 8 pieces of this, but I only needed additional 4 so that the house can be complete. I don't know if you can spot any difference here, but there's a bit of a difference here, but that's not a big issue. Anyway, this is Mutumba second hand, and sometimes getting exact things is not really easy. But then these ones are 4. This the one now I went to pick are 4. So 4 will go to these 2 windows, that window over there, and this window over here. Then this one that I had initially got, because they are a bit dark, in a distance they are a bit dark, I'll put them off at the dining side area. So guys, I always tell you that you have to be mjanja. Like you have to be, what is mjanja in English? So that you want nice things, and sometimes your budget is not like complete. So this my plug lady, she's very good. In fact, I really loved her. She told me she will take me somewhere just in Kikomba where they make the holes. These holes over here. You see, they're done by machine, not by hand. So these holes, apparently they are charging 5 shillings, 5 bob for making one hole like this. So she told me before that, someone had told me that if I just go to Kikomba and they will make for me, they will sell for me this ring for 20 bob per hole, and they make it for me complete. Me, I thought it was good because if you cannot compare it with the, it's still very expensive. So guys in Kikomba have found ways of how they can make. So just buy your curtain. If there are no rings, you go to them and they make for you. But then she gave me another easier way that I just make the holes at 5 shillings, and then I go and buy these. These ones are 100 pieces inside here, and this one costed me around 500 bob for these 100 pieces. I'm not going to use all of this. Some will remain. And then when I did my calculations, and it wasn't very expensive, but still there is something I'm saving, because I'm saving some rings. I'll remain with some rings for another use. And then now the only thing that I'm left doing is to put the rings on my own. And this one I always know how to do. It's not a big deal for me. I just want to show you a sample, because I still need to wash these curtains and iron them. So I will put the rings later on. So where I could have used like 2,000 bob for making the rings, I ended up using 800 shillings, because this was 300 for 6 big curtains, guys. 6 big curtains. The making the holes was 300 shillings. And then I bought this. They're in excess. A whole pack at 500 shillings. So this is how we do it. Our houses must be smart without breaking a bank. That has been my slogan all along. I don't need to break a bank to make my house beautiful. I just need to know a few plugs here and there. We put one here, and then the hole goes inside it like this, and then you lock it. Just like that. And see, it's done. Then the next one, it's inside the hole like this. You just lock it up with this. Yes, so you can see the dirt that is here. That's why I need to wash it first. This one will put the rings later, but you can just see, guys. Just go and ask those people who are selling curtains, Mutumba curtains online, after they have done this. You'll never buy curtains. You'll never, even just in Kikomba, where they have where they have where they've already done this for you. They sell 2 pieces at around 4,000. 2 pieces. 2 pieces, like this piece and another one like this at 4K. So if I was to buy with them, these are 3 sets. So 4,000 times 3 sets. That's 12,000 shillings. We must do our maths. So, but for me, these ones I got, the first time I got these ones, I got them at 1,000 shillings for these two. Those two. Then, when I went, I got these 4. She sold me the 4 at 1,500. and there's a reason behind that. There was a dent at the edge of this curtain, this other side. There was a dent. This other side. There was a dent this side. So we had to remove a piece from these curtains, all of them, the four of them. So she gave me a discount for going to remove this side that was a dent. Because initially I was to pay 2,000 for the four, but she gave me a discount so that I can go and remove the dent that was there. Because this is Mutumba anyway. And I ended up using 1,500. So the 6 curtains, I got them at 1,500 plus 2,500 shillings. And now I want to put the rings that also costed me around 800. So all of these curtains, I can say I've used around 3,200, if I'm not wrong, if my math is not wrong. Guys, this is a still. These curtains are big. 1, 2, 3. It could have been 4, but we removed another part. So one window is going to get 6 meters. Okay. So guys, look at the way this is just one curtain. This is just one. See how big it is. This is the next one. This is another one. So they are like this, 6 of them. So you can imagine the way that window will have good gathers. Thank you guys for watching this uh, channel up to this time. More plugs are coming. As much as I love village content, and when I go to the village, I'll give you village content. But when I'm here and I get a plug for you guys, I will do it. If you are those that love, if you're able to afford making your house the way you want, no problem. But then if you are in a limited budget, just spread your wings and go and explore what is in the market. Market things are not that expensive, but you have to hustle out. You have to go. You have to, like this lady's just God sent. I just went to the market and we clicked with her and I gave her my number. And you see, now she's looking for me the shares. I have the other shares that I showed you that time. She's looking for me the shares. If she gets the shares, I'm the first one to get. Then I will get another color for my windows in the up country. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Bye.